Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Enye le ngiyiqala ke le.
Ya ngize nenye.
Uze nenye. Uze nenye. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Orlando Pirates 2. Baba unjani?
Ngiyaphila mapholoba asingezwa nini.
Hayi siyaphila man. Ufika kanjani ngegame namhlanje?
Mfethu bathi all is well. Yonke into ihamba kahle mfethu. Dala lokhu simoshelana amadata. Simoshelana amadata kwezokuxhumana siphikisana ngathi sesiyalingana. Kanti ke alokhu usuku lungafiki mfethu. Kufikile usuku. Namanje into engayisho nje ukuthi kusanuku anyanisi just bengisaqoba anyanisi nje no green paper ngihlanganisa namafutha angabry angabry kahle izebra ngiyobryela khona ngale emabhitha
usazolithola nje ngoba phela ngizwele ukuthi sehlathini kumanje
no ngiliphili location angithi le la siya khona eDurban asiyeli league asiyeli league then mase sibuya ku league vele I think bekuyi game yami yokugcina nabo le
exactly
noma kungekho mnandi mfethu behamba uza kwethu omakhelwane bahamba mfethu they are cruising nice
bayapi
cruising nice mfethu ngicabanga bake baqala ile game ayiqala bebe number 1 bashaya reverse gear ngicabanga kusasa bawulala bela ko number 11 number 12 kodwa la baya khona 14 15 and
ba playoffs
into engakutshela yona mfethu ake ngi-address nation Mr Ncoko ngicabanga njengamanje weMazebra Coast Nation selingayilungisa ipassport ka Mr Nabi bakhuluma mina kusho ibigibha akekho omunye ipassport bangayilungisa
uthi agoduke
ngicabanga ukuthi Saturday leya nge10 after lapho
uyadonsa
iyaya mfethu akulingana
usho ukuthi usola ucoach yedwa abadlali bona uthini ngapha
no ucoach angeke bamxoxe uzoyihambela mfethu ayikho into edina njengokupheka into engavuthwa mfethu ucoach akanacala kwelami side ucoach la kabuya khona muhle umlando wakhe but iproblem ukuthi la ama ingredients izinto abamnikeze zona ukuthi ayihlanganise ebhodweni ayivuthwa so la kuhlule kocoach ngicabanga ba u910 akuphekeki lapha mfethu so umjito ukuze ecekeleke phansi in terms of ilokuzana record the best way akashiye ehambe beyibambele mfethu omam Jessica no Mr Bobby because la lapha mfethu ngiyakutshela mina la uyawulamula uJesu la inkinga lela ngaphakathi baba
akufuthi elogcina iscore prediction next week's Nedbank Cup final
3-1
to Kaizer Chiefs
Pirates mfethu Pirates yawina 3-1
yawina
and this time kuzokora thina kuqala kuzokora thina kuqala bebuye bethi 1-1 bese siyaqhubeka
nethi 2 nethi 3
iNedbank inabanikazi mfethu ayingaphazamisani siphula lento abathi record bathi ze double triple siyenzile nge-M108 so sizovala ke manje ngeNedbank sizothipha by Mr Rivera our Spanish guitar
well done thanks siyabonga bafone ithanda shosho ola. For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.